Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to talk about inner joins. So inner joins are always going to showcase common data from two tables for which we are writing the query. So here we are going to create two tables with name table A and table B, or we can also name table left and table right so that we can understand left and right join as well. So let's create table left table where id is integer and name will be string, and it is going to have a string size 50. So execute it. Here we can see that successfully we have just created the left table. In the similar fashion, let's create a right table. Execute it. Again we have created right table. Now let's insert the data. So for inserting the data, I'm just going to write query insert into the table name is right table, and values that we are going to pass is 1 comma right 1. Copy this query and paste it multiple time. So here in place of 1 in second query, I'm going to replace it with 2. It will be right 2. This will be 3, 4, and we are going to run this query to insert data. Here we can see that successfully data has been inserted. Now in similar fashion we are going to insert some data in left table. So in place of right, let's write, and here we are going to keep 2 and 3 common, but the name will be left. This will be left and left, and here we are going to change the id, that is 6 and 7, and let's execute it. So here we can see that both tables going to have id common, and now we are going to execute the query, or we can just going to write inner join query. So for this we are going to write select. For left I am taking l dot name comma r dot name from table name is left table l join right table r on the column name is l dot id equal to r dot id. Let's execute it. And here we can see that common data from both table has been brought together. Now if we want to perform outer join, then it is quite easy. So in coming lecture we are going to see how to write the outer joins. Thanks.